So welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be making my favorite breakfast. Guess it starts with ham. It's a ham and egg sandwich. So today I'm gonna be making a ham and egg sandwich. Oh no.
Squeeze it.
Alright. Wait, let me. Alright, there's like no space to like rub it. The bread, so I'm gonna put one on each side to flip it so it can go together. Bubble thing. Wow. I'm gonna fold it so it could look like a sandwich. Just like that. A yummy old ham and egg sandy witchy wishy. Flip the sides so it looks like a sandwich folded.
Don't move it around so much.
Woo! The yummy old sandwich. See, my ham and egg sandwich is done. So now I'm gonna cut it in half. Alright, it's in half. So now I'm gonna be eating breakfast. See you guys on my next video. Bye.